Friends, just now I explained you that I am going to explain you about the attitude. When I say attitude, attitude means what? I will be explaining you in detail. First of all, I will say that what we are. We all are human being. We are student, we are worker, we are employee, wherever we work. What we give? I'll give you 5 things. One is output, another is productivity, third is result, fourth is performance, fifth is profits. Tell me what we give. What a student gives to his parents. Is it output? Is it productivity? Is it result? Is it performance or profit? When you are working in a company, what do you give? Do you give output? Do you give productivity? Do you give result? Do you give performance? Do you give profits? But one of the things we all give. And what is that? Friends, that is not output, not productivity, neither result, not profit, but performance. I can prove you. When you see a cricket match, you must be playing cricket. When somebody does not play well, what we say? That player performance was not good. We don't say result, we don't say output, we don't say productivity, we don't say profit. When a company is not making loss, what we say? Company performance is not good. We don't say output, productivity, result or profits. So friends, all of us, we give performance to our parents, to our company, to our wife, to everybody. Now how the performance comes? How the performance comes? People plus. What is that I should add? That it gives performance. What should I add? That addition is effectiveness. When you people plus effectiveness gives performance. Now when you say effectiveness, what is effectiveness? Effectiveness means whatever project, whatever job, whatever assignment has been given to me, am I doing it on time? Am I doing it in the budget? Am I doing it as per quality? That is the effectiveness. So people plus effectiveness is performance. Now when to give effectiveness, so now you have agree with me that we are all human beings and we give effectiveness and that gets converted to the performance. Now what is effectiveness? Effectiveness, what we need is, I have given 3 words, ASK. What does A stands? A stands for attitude, S stands for skill, K stands for knowledge. So what was that? Effectiveness, what we need? These 3 things, but this was the old formula. This was the old formula that if your attitude, skill, knowledge is okay, you are able to manage the things. Still, attitude, skill, knowledge are not sufficient in present day. Managing the company, managing the business, managing the things, managing studies. What are the other things? First is attitude, second is team building, and third is communication skill, fourth is discipline and decision making and motivation, relationship management. These are the things, modern things which are required. Now to make it more effective, to make it more successful, what are the things? Success. What are the things which need to be a success? Those success components are hard work, knowledge, leadership, luck, attitude. Friends, I want to tell you that only degree is not sufficient. Only degree is not sufficient. I would like to give a small example. In front of my house, my society, there are 2 doctors. Both the doctors are qualified from the same college, from the same batch. I want to tell you, to one doctor, there is a queue that when the doctor is coming, a lot of patients sitting. Other doctor is also equally qualified, but there are no patients. What is the difference? The difference is that one has acquired the degree and the knowledge. The other fellow has acquired only degree. So I will be explaining you in my next series what is knowledge, what is hard work, what is leadership, what is luck, and what is attitude. I will prove you in my next lecture that attitude is the only success secret.